Hello everyone, welcome back to Bit Byte Art. In today's video we will see how you can edit the luxury logos that you have purchased from my shop. If you haven't purchased it, I have given a link in the description, and if you have purchased it, thank you very much for supporting my small business. Now let's go ahead and see how you can edit it. You will get a PDF file in the downloads, and in that PDF file you will find a link to the editable Canva templates. Open that link in your browser and it will take you to a page like this where you have to click the Use Template button. At this point, Canva will ask you to register an account. You can go ahead and create a free account, but to download your logos with transparent background, you will need either a Canva Pro account, for which you have to pay a monthly subscription, or you have to sign up for a free account and then get a free 30 days trial period, which gives you all the features of a Canva Pro account. So if you already have a Canva account and you have exhausted your 30 days free trial, what you can do is you can create a new Canva account and get a 30 days free trial to edit these logos and then download them with transparent background. So now let's move ahead without wasting any further time. So you have basically 13 different pages here, numbered page 1, page 2, page 3, page 4, and all the way to page number 13. So in all the pages, you cannot normally change the graphic element, because for luxury logos what you would want is your graphic element to be golden, because that is what gives it a luxury look. So what you can change is the text. So to change the text, just hover your mouse over it, double click, and just change the text. Alright. Simple. This is how you will change the text. So for this logo, you will have to change the name, the tagline, and the letter M in the background. To do that, you will have to send this frame to back, because it is coming in front of the letter M, and the letter M cannot be selected right now. To do that, you will have to just right click on the frame and send it backwards. Now the letter M has come ahead, and you will be able to change it to whatever your initials are, and then you will have to zoom in by moving these sliders, and then move your letter to center to make it look good. I think this is perfect. So what is going on here is this is a separate text box, this is a separate text box. You will have to, for example, change it. You will have to change it separately, and then what you have to do is, here is a black little black little line that is normally not visible, but you will have to zoom in and place it so that it cuts the end of C like this. You can zoom in all the way to be more precise. Alright, so this is what I was trying to do. Now you have to change the text here as well. So just double click it, write your name, click somewhere outside, and you are good to go. To change this one, double click it, and you will have to readjust these lines. So right now you can either do it like this, or you can double click it and move this corner towards left to cut this part out, then click outside and then move it here. Alright, and then you can just double click here and write whatever you want to write. You just have to change the text as we have already discussed. You have to change this text, you have to change this text, and this is basically the initials L. So if you are using your own name, say for example Christy Wallace, what you would want to do, you would want to change it with C. So what you can do now is, in the PDF file there is a link which helps you download all these letters with this feather like graphic structure. So it has all the letters from A to Z. So you can choose your desired letter, and then you can go to the upload tab right here. This is not visible in this video, but it is here. So you will click on the uploads tab, you will click on upload files and navigate to that folder where your letters are and upload the particular letter that you would want to place here. So once you upload that letter, it will appear over here. What you will just do, you will single click on it and that graphic letter will appear here. You will have to adjust its sizing and you will have to place it here, and you will have to delete this one. Alright, so not very difficult, easy peasy. Here only the text can be changed. This graphic element cannot be played with. You can play with the size and things, but you cannot change its colors. Here you have two different text boxes. One has A in it, one has F in it. So you will have to hover your mouse and find the right spot. You will have to just change the text and reposition that text, and then you'll have to change this text. You'll have to change this text. You'll have to change this text. Say for example this text gets longer than it is right now. So now it is going in the next line. What you will do is you will drag this part over here, and then you will move it towards left, and this vertical line will tell you that now your text is in the center of the canvas, and then you will click outside. One more thing is that now these lines are getting very close to my text, which does not look very good. So what I will do, I will zoom in a little bit, and then I will hold my shift key, and after selecting it, just click on it once to select it. Now hold your shift key and drag and move it towards left. Why am I holding shift key? If I don't hold shift key, what will happen that it will go up and down in all the directions if my mouse moves in the wrong direction. So to avoid moving it in the wrong directions, just hold shift key and move your mouse towards left. It will keep it in a straight line. This position is fine, I think. Single click, hold shift and move it right. This position is fine, I think. Alright, so you can just change this, you can change this, you can change this text, and you can change the text that is behind this one. So to select it, you will have to move your mouse around to find the right spot. And same goes for this one, same for this one, and you can also change the initials. So this is how you will go about changing all the logos. Hope it was easy to understand. If you don't understand anything from this video, what you can do is you can go ahead and send me a message on Etsy, and I will be happy to answer your queries. Thank you very much for watching the video. I hope you like my product, and if you do, don't forget to leave your review on my product. It is going to help my shop a lot. Goodbye.